A mother's love has no limits. From the moment your baby enters your life, your whole world revolves around them. Many of your life's fondest memories become those with your little one. So this Mother's Day, we asked mothers, what are your earliest memories with your baby?
Definitely the day she was born. I remember I wanted to see her as soon as she was born, and the nurse brought her to me and pressed her little face up to me, and she stopped crying.
When my son was around 4 to 5 months, I remember evening times when it was time for me to take him in a stroller down. He used to understand that time, that it's time Mama's going to take me out.
Coming home and asking everyone, where is mommy, if they don't see me in the front of the door.
The sleepless nights.
She had such sweet sounding cries.
The first time she laughed, I was kind of hamming it up for her, and she started chuckling really intensely.
If you could pass on one piece of advice to an expecting mother, what would it be?
I would say do a lot of meditation.
Maybe be kinder to yourself.
Love yourself.
Try to discover and explore his or her life in his own way.
She shouldn't leave her job.
Please prioritize your own sleep.
We are in awe. But doesn't motherhood begin way before your baby enters this world? Way before the first cry, the first giggle, the first time you touched their soft skin. From the moment you hear your little one's heartbeat, that's really where you start making memories, don't you? We wanted mothers to remember the moments before their child was out in this world equally well. So, we handed over our home fetal Dopplers to all the mothers we interviewed and asked them to gift it to expecting mothers so they can enjoy every bit of their motherhood. And in that way, from one mother to another, we passed on an experience to hear their little one's heartbeat, to experience pure joy, to remember their baby's early milestones forever. Happy Mother's Day.